Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your expenses with YNAB detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Open the application and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the budget section to begin setting up your financial plan. The first step is to link your bank accounts to YNAB for accurate tracking of your income and expenses. To do this, click on Accounts and select Add Account. Choose the appropriate financial institution and follow the prompts to connect your accounts securely. Once your accounts are linked, YNAB will automatically import your recent transactions. Review these transactions for accuracy and categorize them according to your budget categories. Begin by creating a budget category for essential expenses like rent, utilities. Also, create categories for discretionary spending, such as dining out, entertainment. Allocate funds to each category based on your total monthly income. Ensure you prioritize essential expenses before allocating discretionary funds. Next, use the Age Your Money feature to help manage your spending better over time. This feature encourages you to spend money earned in the previous month rather than your current income. Set aside 1 month's worth of expenses in advance to create a buffer. Monitor your spending regularly by checking the Budget tab within YNAB. Adjust your budget categories as necessary throughout the month to accommodate any overspending or changes in income. If you find you're consistently overspending in certain areas, take a closer look at those transaction categories. Consider cutting back on non-essential spending to stay within your budget. Utilize the Reports feature to analyze your financial habits over time. Review categories where you may be overspending and identify patterns. Make adjustments to your budget categories for the next month based on these insights. Explore the Goals feature to set specific savings objectives, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. By setting clear financial goals, you will remain focused and motivated to stick to your budget. Regularly revisit and adjust your budget as your income and expenses change. Stay engaged with the software by checking in at least weekly to review your financial progress. As you gain more experience, consider utilizing YNAB's educational resources for deeper insights into budgeting strategies. With consistent tracking and mindful spending, you'll optimize your expenses effectively with YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.